Today, I'm going to show you how you can start your car if the battery in the fob goes dead. Welcome back to the channel and thanks for being here. If this is your first time here, my name's Derek. I talk about people, business, and more commonly, electric cars. Today, I'm going to show you how you can start your car, specifically a Nissan LEAF, if the battery in your fob goes dead. So we've all been there, we get into our car and we see the warning sign that says the battery is low in our key fob. However, these are not common batteries that most people have around the house, and so you can end up having a situation where you haven't gone to the store to replace the battery by the time the battery actually dies. But not to worry, it's actually pretty easy to start your car even when the battery goes dead. Now the first thing you need to do is actually get into your car, but if the battery is dead in your fob, then the remote unlock won't work either. What you need to do is flip the key over, push this little switch up, and you'll be able to remove the valet key from the remote. That valet key will actually unlock the driver's side door handle. It'll lock it as well if you turn it the other way, but in this situation, all you want to do is unlock it and get in the car. Next thing you need to do, just like starting your car regardless, you have to put your foot on the brake for this part to work. Now, when the battery in the fob is good, if you have your foot off of the brake pedal and push the on button, it'll simply turn on the accessories. However, with the battery dead, if you don't have your foot on the brake, nothing will happen. So when you get in the car, put your foot on the brake, and then what you want to do is hold your fob directly in front of the button with the Nissan logo forward. If you have the key backwards, this will not work. So with the Nissan logo forward on the fob, actually touching the button, use the key fob to press the button in and your car will start no problem. Now, what about replacing the battery? I've seen this question a number of times on forums and Facebook groups, so let me go over it now. So the battery you need to replace the one in your fob is a CR2025. The brand doesn't matter, it's more the shape and the voltage. If you want it foolproof, I've put a link to the battery I replaced mine with in the description section below. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have the valet key removed from the key fob, and with a flat edge, I like to use a screwdriver, specifically one out of my Swiss Army knife. With that flat edge, you're gonna poke and prod at one end and then slowly, gently twist and turn on the side until it pops open. What you wanna do when you open the fob is make note as to which way the battery is facing. Is the lettering pointing up or down? You can use mine as reference as they do go in the same way. However, it is important they go in the correct way as the battery is labeled positive and negative. Sometimes you need to use the same screwdriver to pop the battery out, but it's pretty simple from there. Once your new battery is in, simply line up the parts of your fob and clamp them together with a little bit of pressure all the way around. And there you have it. The battery's replaced and now you're good to go. That's it for me for the day. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to smash the like button. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for future videos on electric vehicles. Thanks again for watching and have yourself a great day.